So, hi Sunil, welcome to the final day of the training. And today we completed the entire session of your Appian learning and the learning journey that we started. It was quite a confusing state for you at the time when you joined, whether you are doing the right
Yes,
decision or not, and whether you are able to work on it, and is Appian a good career for you or not. Now it's like you have been into this trade and you have learned Appian practically after this training, and I hope it was a fruitful journey for you. So I just want to hear a honest review from your side that how it was actually, and before joining the training and after joining the training, what's the difference in the outcome, and how you are able to make a knowledge change or increase. Is there anything that your confidence got increased? So just wanted to hear the honest feedback from your side.
yes, I have. Actually, your training is very nice. Comparing to other trainers, your training is like I can gain more. I got more knowledge, and you like comparing to other trainers. What I observed is they're just like explain the theoretical and not on so much on practical side. But and in your training, what I observed is you have explained very like deeply and step by step from scratch to from last you give like more like you have given very examples and practical scenario what we done in like company project. So that's the thing I observed. I gain more knowledge on APN. Before that don't have any awareness on so much on APN, but when I train from you, I got very like I can get I got full of confidence, then I can do that Appian projects
So out of
well.
10 being the highest and 0 being the lowest, how would you rate this training?
I can give like 9 out of 10 size.
Thank you so much for your honest feedback.
Yeah,
And you already know that, this is not just the like ending of the journey. It's just like
yeah,
continuing phase, and I will be a mentor for you for a longer duration of time. And this will be an ongoing process where you have to go with your career. And at any point of time you need me, I'm always there.
yeah, sure. If I have any queries, I will like ping you or I can like I
Message
will
you,
give a call.
anything.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm always there. So
yeah.
feel free to connect with me at any point of time. And yeah, just want to take a feedback from your side. Thank you.